Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Kia Camper Van is redefining the world of compact travel, combining modern design with innovative features to deliver an unmatched camping experience. Designed for adventurers who value comfort and functionality, this camper van blends Kia's signature aesthetics with practicality, ensuring a smooth journey on every road. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior is complemented by a spacious, thoughtfully designed interior that caters to the needs of modern travelers. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia Camper Van boasts a fuel-efficient hybrid engine, ensuring long road trips without frequent refueling stops. With advanced driving assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, navigating challenging terrains becomes a breeze. The all-wheel drive option further enhances its capability, making it ideal for off-road adventures. Inside, the camper van offers a cozy and functional living space. A convertible seating arrangement transforms into a comfortable sleeping area, accommodating up to 4 people. The compact yet efficient kitchenette comes equipped with an induction cooktop, a mini fridge, and ample storage for supplies. A foldable dining table and smart storage solutions maximize the use of space, while large windows and a skylight bring in natural light, creating an open and airy ambience. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the integrated smart system that controls lighting, climate, and entertainment through a mobile app or voice commands. Solar panels on the roof provide sustainable energy, reducing reliance on external power sources. A built-in freshwater tank and an eco-friendly waste disposal system further enhance its self-sufficiency. The 2025 Kia Camper Van is more than a vehicle, it's a gateway to freedom, adventure, and sustainable living. Perfect for weekend getaways or extended trips, this camper van is a testament to Kia's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction.